Every day you go buy
streams,
robot
views.
streams. You know, one can say you were there. What fast say we'll do 50, we'll do 100,000. But a drop per your 1 week. I hear screenshots, audio back.
Skyrocketing.
Yes, we have 100,000 streams. You dey lie to yourself.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Yeah, but Fuziri, DJ Parker Rich. I had to be a Parker Rich Studios. I never work alone, but in Liverpool. So I'm doing this with my brother.
Of course. PKB, original.
Yes. PD Parkway.
Yeah, Parkway.
PD, how do you say a Parkour?
Parkour.
You understand? It's to the share. Yes.
We are firing. We are firing.
You see? It's Papa, I have a Better Boy this screen a short and for about 200 share. So Better Boy is Serbia about to go about more boys said about your day. Every day you go buy streams, robot
views.
streams. You know, one can say you were there. What fast say we'll do 50, we'll do 100,000. But a drop per your 1 week. I hear screenshots, audio back.
Skyrocketing.
Yes, we have 100,000 streams. You dey lie to yourself. It's by the end of the day though. So you could pay your your show be that what can pass through. Then you freestyle and the stage you do be you go sing all the song in this world, nobody they see you because you are always investing in robotic streams. Hey mama kaya assembly baby or dropping music video or Ghana Chroma. Within a week, 931,000 views. 3 years down the line, videos didn't do 1 million views.
Hey,
do 1 million. Yeah.
Cause 3 years then video
don't do. I will pack on YouTube and I type it True Mood.
Or how many few days in 900,000?
1 week, 7 days, 931,000.
If it is 70,000, I can't. 3 years then to me, man.
3 years, and I'm back on 1 million views. You understand? And so, Burna Boy is trying to tell you something. Screenshots in I am from no one share. Can't show when papa.
Okay, so Burna Boy story. I posted just a few hours ago, right? I'll say, dear artist, don't let Twitter posts and Niger social media fans deceive you. They won't fill up any stadium for you in any part of the world, or can't any part of the world, or can't amanone outside. Now, nature of the way 200 say, you check statistics be the two out. We don't know if Ghana these numbers they work, but I'm sure it wouldn't be far from these same numbers because Ghana and Nigeria they of course. So 1 million Ghanaian streams. If I say 1 million Ghanaian streams or Nigerian streams, that's about $300. And soon 10 people. Maybe 6,000 cedis. 1 million UK streams will give you £3,000 or £4,000. And also the Emuedu Kakra because I brought for no sika woman. 1 million US streams. $3,000 or $4,000. 1 million euro streams will also give you €3,000, €4,000. Now, Burna Boy say your song being number 1 on any streaming platform in Nigeria, the Ghana account, let's say Nigeria or Ghana, it's not something to celebrate. Aim higher, have bigger goals, have bigger vision. That's from Burna Boy. Aim higher or do other businesses on the side. Only music no go feed you. To pay you for kahon. I type with love. # no sign of weakness.
I beg. Just if you're the PKB read the bill, my one say.
Do you can say?
No. Me can the
last part.
Yeah.
Your song being number 1 on any streaming platform in Nigeria or Ghana. The Ghana account. In Nigeria or Ghana because Ghana and Nigeria are brothers. It's not something to celebrate. Aim higher. Have bigger vision, bigger goals. Aim higher or do other businesses on the side. But also your musician page you for fraud. I type with love.
Or don't quit sing.
# no sign of weaknesses. # no sign of weakness. I say to a musician in summer Burna Boy ready to journey. You man know ya Memphis say Ghana pay. Think ahead.
A brand here walale yanyom. Nanyom ni sikanti na le yanyom. na sisa wuska idza kama robot computer there. One show music video, one stream one your mananya numbers. Now at the end of the day, no did the miske ya mo hwan. Na bosomo boso na nya the miska back and then your man ye bokawa na de. Ye the pemba. Brother mo wuti nye juma.
Oh Charlie.
Get real people say nyimpa 20. And that's a way out as far what power your man. Serve them and serve them well. And stop those especially upcoming soon where swear the man
no more. Oh.
Upcoming now got to 500,000 streams.
No more boss.
At the bad day me that wala you understand? Put in the work.
Yes.
I'm equal events people can relate to your music and your song.
Yes.
Into your artists in our numbers here real. Memo be more pressure. More words or you fake.
Yeah.
Or you robot and quoting or be a new one.
Yes.
Appreciate the few fans you have.
And build on it. Expand the fan base. Yeah, Juma. Don't sleep in the studio and in the PA. Cause shows. Build numbers. Get people to get engaged. Get team. Challenge you man dimba wa fa to nkwan so die bo so yeah adwuma no
ata
we share them now top views na en ko sia obeye show bi ama
you get it
nti ase
all right nti a word to a wise what so
always in enough
tamale wopa upper east na azon one share yeah tintin baby we are out of here we'll come back with another episode
sure peace
yeah call
I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.